Okay, hello everyone. My name is Rizky Bing with the NPM 2811010. So here I will present my material about SLA, Second Language Acquisition. Okay, the first topic, introduction. Second Language Acquisition, or SLA, is a field of study that examines how individual acquires a second language after their first language. Within the scope of introduction to general linguistics, SLA helps us understand the relationship between humans' natural language ability and the social, cognitive, and biological factors that influence second language acquisition. Discussing SLA is essential because it not only investigates how individuals master vocabulary and grammar, but also explores how cultural understanding and communication affect the process of learning a second language. Okay, next, material, definition and scopes. SLA in general linguistics encompasses the internal processes that occur when an individual learns a new language after acquiring their first language. This process involves aspects such as cognitive factors, including memory, attention, and after transfer. Second, social factors such as interaction with native speakers or the use of language in specific social contexts. The last are linguistic factors, such as difference in phonology, syntax, and semantics between L1 and L2. Okay, the next material, theoretical frameworks. Scientists, theories in SLA commonly taught in the introductory linguistics include the first, behaviorist theory. Language is learned through stimulus response and reinforcement. The second, innatist theory. SLA occurs due to an innate biological machines or LAD language acquisition device that facilitates language learning. The third, interaction theory. SLA is influenced by social interaction and communicate content. The last, cognitive theory. SLA is a complex mental process involving the processing of input and output in the brain. Okay, next material, key topics in SLA. In general linguistics, SLA is often associated with topics such as the first, interlanguage. The interlanguage system used by learners as they acquire L2. The second, transfer. The influence of L1 on L2, which can be either positive, facilitating, or negative, hindering. The third, fossilization. A stage in the which L2 development plateaus before reaching native like proficiency. The last, error analysis. The study of language error to understand learning processes. Okay, next materi, relevance to general linguistics. Within the context of the general linguistics, SLA help us understand that language is not only a formal system but also a cognitive and social phenomenon. SLA interests our understanding of language differences, language variation, and the relationship between language, mind, and society. Okay, the last material is conclusion. Second language acquisition (SLA) is a crucial component of general linguistics because it helps us understanding how humans acquire a second language in various cognitive and social contexts. By studying SLA, we can see how biological, psychological, and social factors influence an individual's second language ability. Therefore, SLA serves as an important bridge between formal linguistic theory and the practical experience of language learning in the real life. Okay, this is all about my presentation. Thank you for watching and see you.